Biotechnology application in medicine. It has got application in producing recombinant drugs and recombinant insulin. Production of newer and safest drugs, recombinant drugs. These drugs do not induce immunological reactions. 70% of drugs have been approved for human use. Recombinant insulin. Insulin produced by islets of Langerhans maintain blood sugar level. Insulin deficiency lead to the hyperglycemia, which is also called as sugar or diabetes. Diabetes mellitus is also the name. Initially, it was produced by the slaughtered cow and pigs, but it had got allergic response in the human beings and not identical to the human insulin. Now, insulin produced by the recombinant DNA technology using E. coli is been marketed, which is also called as Humulin as it resembles the human insulin. It was produced by the company known as Eli Lilly, a American company. Structure of insulin. Insulin is a protein, hence coded by a gene. It is made up of two polypeptide chains. First one, A chain, it is having around 21 amino acids into it, and B chain is having around 30 amino acids into it. Both the chains are joined with the disulfide bridges. Bonds connect cytosine amino acid at A7 to B7 and A20 to B90. Insulin, however, is secreted as proinsulin and it is in inactive form. Proinsulin composed of 84 amino acids in which A and B chain are connected with disulfide bridges and there is presence of C chain which in turn connect A and B. Bacteria do not possess enzymes required for post-transcriptional modification, that is, conversion of proinsulin into insulin, that is, conversion of inactive insulin into the active insulin. Itakura et al. Chemically synthesized DNA sequence of A and B chain of insulin separately. Gene of A and B chain first separated using known knowledge. So plasmid which was having A gene inserted into PBR322 beside beta galactosidase gene of lycopyrrone. It was created recombinant DNA and then this recombinant DNA was introduced into the bacteria known as E. coli, which is also called as cloning. This bacteria is allowed to multiply, that is what the gene expression takes place, and the fusion protein start producing A chain and beta galactosidase protein. Plasmid with B chain, the B chain was introduced into the PBR322 and then the recombinant plasmid was again introduced back into the bacteria. This bacteria was also allowed to multiply to express the gene and this produced the B chain with the beta galactosidase enzyme. So beta galactosidase with A chain and beta galactosidase with B chain, they are cleaved to produce separate beta galactosidase and then chain A and B. Then the chain A and B are separately joined. Gene therapy. Gene therapy. It's a technique whereby a faulty or absent gene is replaced by normal or working gene so that the body can synthesize the correct enzymes. Number of monogenic defects present in humans can be cured with this technique like cystic fibrosis, muscular dystrophy, SCID, hemophilia, sickle cell anemia, atherosclerosis, Western thalassemia, etc. Advancing gene technology made possible to correct such genes. First gene therapy was employed in 4-year-old girl suffering from SCID. Non-functional immune system, it was like having ADA gene into the lymphocytes using retroviruses. Repeated injection. Based on where the gene is corrected, there is the first type ex vivo gene therapy, where the gene transferred into the patient cell when the cell is outside the body. Here, the cells are exposed to the virus carrying the desired gene, and virus delivers the gene into the cells of the DNA. Therapeutic gene here is the patient cell is cultured in the lab. Then these cells, after culturing, the genetically altered cells are injected back to the patient. In vivo gene therapy. Here the gene is delivered into the cell inside a patient body. Gene delivery takes place with the help of vectors. Vectors are usually viruses. The recombinant viruses can inject the recombinant DNA into the host. So here retroviruses are used, adenoviruses are used for the transfer of the gene. It is non-biological, electroporation and microinjection, particular bombardment and plasmid DNA, liposomes, etc. are used. This is treated with a gene therapy. SCID stands for Severe Combined Immunodeficiency Syndrome, in which the diseased individual will be having defective ADA gene. Here, ADA enzyme will not be produced. It affects the T lymphocytes functioning. In turn, non-functional immune system will be there, and it will be having difficult in the gene therapy for SCID. Here, the normal ADA gene is taken and cloned into the vector. After cloning into the vector, it is activated into the retroviruses. Retroviruses are then allowed to infect the T cells of the patient and cultured. The retroviruses with the T cells now transfer the gene into the cells, and these cells are transformed T cells into the patient, and it helps in multiple treatment needed. Now let's see the application of biotechnology in molecular diagnosis. Diagnosis. Molecular diagnosis, it is help in early diagnosis which will be possible by the use of microbial probes. So it helps in to treat, diagnose it early, urine test, and also not conventional. Antibodies and antigens are used to detect the presence of complementary structures. Molecular probes are radioactively labeled DNAs and RNAs are also used. Here the genes or pathogens or the antigens antibodies can be used. PCR is used to multiply DNA if amount of DNA is very small. The technique is employed to detect HIV in suspected HIV patients. To detect the mutations, to detect the cancer, to study the phenomenon of breast cancer and sexually transmitted can be used. Enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay, that is ELISA, is used technique of detecting very small amount of protein. Peroxidase, alkaline phosphatase, stain producing substrate like 5-aminoacylic acid. This method of diagnosis is totally based on the antigen antibody reaction. Why transgenic animals are created? To study the normal physiology, the genetically modified animals, that is transgenic animals, are created. It allows the expression of a foreign gene to study how and which gene activity affects the normal functioning of the body and the role of different enzymes in the body. To study the diseases, the models of the transgenic organisms are created. Like that, for cancer, cystic fibrosis, rheumatoid arthritis, the transgenic animals have been created. Next, to study the biological product, the transgenic animals play a role as a bioreactor. They serve as a site of synthesis of required products. Technology called here is nothing but farming. Animals are called as farm animals. Human genes encoding the following components are expressed in these animals. First one, interleukins, to treat cancer and immunodeficiency syndromes. Growth hormones, tissue plasminogen activators, which dissolve the blood clots. Then alpha antitrypsin, which is used in the treatment of emphysema, and then organ for xenotransplantation have been used. Following genes have been expressed in animal to produce the following products. First one, the cow producing human protein enriched milk, then human GH in pigs and fish, blood clotting factor 8 and 9 expressed in sheep. First transgenic cow, known as Rosie, she was made to produce milk enriched with human protein alpha lactalbumin. Cow with increased milk yield and reduced lactose, and milk with enzyme that cure phenylketonuria, cystic fibrosis, etc. Vaccine safety. Safety of the vaccine tested on the transgenic animals. Polio vaccine tested on the transgenic mice. Chemical safety. Similar way, the chemicals are also tested on the transgenic animals. The transgenic animal to test toxicity of the drugs are created. Sequence of establishing transgenic animals. Identification and isolation of desired gene by genetic engineering. Then desired gene is like micro-injection of the DNA into the pronucleus of the fertilized egg is done. After that, the implantation of the egg into the surrogate mother is done, allowing this embryonic development into the surrogate mother, leading to the foreign DNA heritability corporated and expressed in the newborn. Gene is regulated to express. Transgenic animals are genetically modified organisms which are modified by incorporating a foreign and other specific gene through recombinant DNA technology. A number of transgenic animals have been genetically modified. Example: rat, rabbit, pig, sheep, cow, etc. 95% of the GMOs are mice. Steps involved in production of transgenic animals. First one, identification, location and isolation of required gene. Finding suitable vector and then fusion of the suitable desired gene into the vector. After that, the introduction of recombinant DNA into the cells or tissue, organ or embryo depending upon the requirement takes place. Steps for raising transgenic animals. Production of more eggs. Adult female injected with the hormone for the superovulation. Females are then mated and fertilized eggs are taken out from the oviduct. Using micropipette, vector carrying desired gene is injected into the male pronucleus. Transformed fertilized eggs are allowed to grow for some time, then implanted into the uterus of surrogate female. The resultant organism will be transgenic. Adult female injected with the hormone for superovulation. Females are then mated. Fertilized eggs are then taken out from the oviduct. Using micropipette, the vectors carrying desired gene is injected into the male pronucleus and transformed fertilized eggs are allowed to grow for some time. Then implanted into the uterus for the surrogate female. Ethical issues and biopatent law. Bioethics and biotechnology. Bioethics are the principles which regulate our perception to exploit biological world. In biotechnology, there is no limit of interference in the exclusive entity of the living beings. Any type and any amount of modification can be carried out in genotypes to form GMO. Many of these modifications can be harmful to the human being and also to the nature. Therefore, the Genetic Engineering Approval Committee has been set up under the MOEF. This committee is established to ensure safety of the use of GMO. Genetic Engineering Approval Committee. Biopatent law. It's granted by the government to the inventors of the biological entities, processes and the products. Exclusive rights to use the resources, process or market the products and earn the profit. Biopatent is an official right that grants an inventor or establishment the sole monopoly to use particular biological material for the commercial exploitation. Example: newly developed strains. Basmati rice, known for the unique aroma and flavor, about 27 documented varieties grown in India. Texas-based company got patent right on the basmati through the US Patent and Trademark Office. Cross between the Indian basmati and semi-DOF variety thus claimed as an invention or new variety. Case of biopiracy and unfair. So far patent attempted and awarded. Turmeric. India is fighting to cancel these illegal biopatents, battles on against the basmati and turmeric. Biopiracy. Biodiversity and traditional knowledge is growing in developed and underdeveloped countries, and this has been taken by the developed countries. Developed countries have been enjoying immense profit by patenting the knowledge and bioresources of underdeveloped countries. Biopiracy includes biopatenting of bioresource of other nations, no proper permission of the concerned nation, and unlawful use without giving any compensation. Biopiracy. It is an unauthorized patenting and exploiting of the bioresources of others without compensatory benefits. A patent in USA was given for the entire basmati rice germplasm. The new genetic variety of the basmati was arrived, developed by crossing basmati rice with semi-dough variety.